Today, I will show you how to play key of F in the ukulele. As you can see, the blue vertical line represents the strings of the ukulele. From the bottom, you will see string of C, G, and then C, E, and A. This one actually look like this in the ukulele, where A is facing the floor and G is facing the ceiling. The red mark that you see are the fret where you hold the number of the fret and pluck the ukulele in which string it is designated. So the major key of F are F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, and F. Let's try to play it with our ukulele. The first note says third string first fret. The second note is third string third fret. The third note is fourth string no fret. The fourth note is fourth string first fret. The fifth note is fourth string third fret. The sixth note is fourth string fifth fret. The seventh note is fourth string seventh fret. The last note is fourth string eighth fret. Let's do it fast, forward and backward, so we can practice saying the string, so our brain can remember which string to pluck and which fret to hold. If you keep on practicing, your hand will be getting used of holding the fret and plucking the string. It's gonna be hard at first, but continue practicing at least once or twice a day. Let's do it again for the last time. Thank you. I hope you're learning something from my video. See you later.